Hello and welcome to this video guide on how to use GloCOM. The first thing I want to show you is how to ensure your preferences are set up to use the correct audio input and output devices for when you make and receive calls. This is done by going to Tools at the top and clicking Preferences. You can also access the preferences by clicking the Settings icon, which is on the main screen here. When you click this, the Preferences window will open. You want to go to Audio on the left and make sure that your microphone, speaker, and ringing device are configured as you want to use them. You may see different settings appear in the drop-down boxes than I have. For my settings, I have my microphone configured to be my headset microphone. I will hear audio through my headset, but my ringing device to notify me when a call is coming in is set to my speakers on my laptop. You can test these by using the buttons to the right. Please note if you have a Plantronics or Jabra headset, you may need to enable additional support, which is available here. An additional setting that you need to check is underneath Phone on the left, and then My Phones. You want to ensure that only Use Soft Phone is selected. You may experience issues if you have both Use Desk Phone and Soft Phone ticked. Press OK to accept your changes. Press OK again to make sure that your preferences are saved, and you will return back to the GloCOM window. Making an internal call is very quick with GloCOM. When you have the application open, you'll see a list of your internal directory. Use the calling button to quickly make a call to that person. You can right-click this button to start a chat or leave them a voicemail. You can view your recent call history by clicking the History button in the bottom right of the window. Here you can see your missed calls, your recently received, and your dialed calls. If you want to clear your call history, simply click the three dots, click History, Clear Call History. If you want to manage your voicemails in GloCOM, click the Voicemail button in the window. From here you can review your new messages and old messages, and easily manage them by right-clicking to play, delete, move to old messages, save to disk, or you can even call the person back who left a voicemail. You have the same buttons available in the top right of the window. Call the person who left the message, move to new or old messages, save to disk, or delete. When you make a call or you receive a call in GloCOM, you will be presented with the ongoing call window. From here you have several controls that you can use if you require to do so. To transfer a call is very simple. Press the transfer button and either type the internal extension of the colleague you wish to send the call to, or type their name. You can also transfer to a landline or mobile number. When you want to transfer the call, you can initiate what's called a blind transfer by pressing the blue transfer button. If you want to check if the person is available before you send the call to them, you can do this via the supervised button. This way, you will speak to the person before transferring the call. You can also send it directly to their voicemail. To stop the transfer of a call, press cancel. There are some important controls you should be aware of when you're in a call. This button here will allow you to adjust your volume settings or increase the volume or decrease the volume of your microphone. You also have the option to add people to this call to create a three-way conference. Click the Invite People to this call button. Search by their name or type their extension number, and then press OK. To end the call, press Hang Up. To create a conference between you and two other people, press the Conference button. From the Select Conference list, choose Instant Conference and then Join. You can then add users to this call by pressing Invite User and type the individual you want to add and press OK. You can also dial by extension. It is also important to note that you can manage your status in GloCOM by clicking this icon here beneath your profile picture. Clicking this allows you to select whether you are available, busy, away, or to stop calls coming to you, you can put yourself into Do Not Disturb. You can also specify how long you should be away from your computer before GloCOM sets you to Away.